TV show presents The Van Party.
Yes, okay. Let me explain this. You see, I've had one interesting weekend. And, yeah, okay, so this past weekend, whatever you want to call it, was State Trump Hour. And, of course, I got passed on to district, because, I should have just read medal a few episodes back. So everyone that got passed on went to State Trump Hour at the University of North Alabama. So, yeah, we all went for competition there. And it was quite the experience. So, yeah, we all went for competition. I didn't, I didn't win, first, second, or third in the state. But, hey, it's okay. You can't win everything in life. But, for getting awesome scores, considering, I just got a new medal, I believe this time. So, yeah. Another one to add to my collection of medals. And, of course, adding another one each time makes me feel like I've actually really done something. Oh God, with my life. So, yes. So yeah, we had an awesome time. Me, my friends, and Junk, as you clearly saw with the beginning. We had a lot of fun. Tons of stuff happened, like this.
I was in a YouTube video one time, and it was titled The Cookie Monster.
And like this.
What's up, people? I'm in a dog pile. Andrew. Yeah. I can't breathe. When? Shut up, kid. Call 911. Why? Look at the ambulance out here. What?
And like this.
Last night we passed the Hobby Lobby, and she's like, don't say Hobby Lobby like that. You sound like a goblin. Because I was like laying in flat mode. Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby.
And like this.
By the way, I'm not just playing on random people. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my God, what happened? Michael, do not do that. Why? Because you upset the whole thing, man.
Yes. Tons of fun was had this past weekend. Woo! Yes, tons of fun was happened. Okay. I just stop talking when you don't know what to say. Okay. So I didn't win. I got the medal though. But guess who did? I got first in the state. Yeah. You still don't know. But it's Faye. She got first in the state with her monologue, which was amazing because it just was. Yeah, she got first in the state. So here's the video of her accepting her award. Yeah, wasn't that cute? She was so like, ah! That's how she is all the time now. She was very shocked. She did not expect it. In fact, during that day, she was like, the guy put his pencil down. I wonder what that meant. She was like freaking out, and I was like, dude, just calm down, it's okay. It was really good. Her monologue was really good. I personally thought she was dreaming from something unimaginable. I don't know. The monologue she's chosen over the years has suited her tastes, suited her, and how she works her acting magic. So I thought it was a good choice, and obviously it was because, she got first in state. So, congratulations, Faithy Poo. Congratulations. So, among all that excitement that I just showed you all a while ago, of course, you saw at the very beginning, Faith and I are having a van party at the Jameson Inn in Florence, Alabama, because we're just pimps like that. So, here's some more of that.
Hey people, what is up? Yeah, I'm in a van. Yeah. Me and Faith are having a van party in Florence, Alabama. So yeah, we're like waiting to leave, so we thought we'd have a party in the van.
Mm-hmm.
And everyone's like, what are y'all doing in the van? We're like, we're going to party. Which
Nobody wants to join our van party because they're van party poopers.
Which, technically, the van party just consists of me laying in the back seat and she talking and asking questions that are very vague and I giving her retarded answers when, in fact, her questions really weren't straightforward to begin with.
So you agree?
Yeah, I agree that your questions aren't straightforward.
What? You said they were straightforward.
I didn't say that.
You did. You said they were straightforward to begin with, and then what? You're returning.
I know. That's what the show's built off of. Duh. 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 So. Oh crap! I've got my shirt. Because you're wearing your corner shirt. I've got it. I just don't want to wear it right now. Because this shirt was a lot warmer and I was cold, so I just wore this shirt.
Okay.
Oh yeah. No.
Seriously?
No.
You like wore that shirt?
Because it was warm.
Like cold?
Yeah.
So.
See, look, it's like
it's
a hotel.
Show them your costume sign.
It's like in the. I can't even like. I could always open the back, couldn't I?
Yeah, I could too.
Okay, I'm gonna open the back.
Okay.
I'm going out the car now, as you can clearly see. Okay, I'm gonna show you all my costume design. Oh my god. My book just fell out. Okay. We can totally do that. See, this is my costume design for South Pacific. It's awesome. And there's my book that fell out of the car and smashed my foot. Yeah, it totally just happened.
Hey, do you have the hat?
It's in my backpack. Hold on, I'll get it. My backpack's right here. It's not like it's like in the van. In the van. Sorry.
It's in North Dakota. Hey.
North Dakota. Oh yeah, the other day in Mr. Meg's, we were in the classroom and he was talking about, Mr. Meg's my teacher, he was talking about how cold it was, and he said, you know guys, it's really cold today, it's a beautiful day, but not as cold as it is in Grand Rapids, North Dakota. We're like, what? We're like, thanks for the information, I'll be sure to put that on my...
It's not as cold in Grand Rapids.
Whatever, it was like...
as it is in Antarctica.
This is true. Let's go get ice.
Okay. Show them the hat first.
Oh yeah, so Faith was my model. So she had to wear this hat, I know, yeah, I'm sideways, I'm
Yeah.
show my double chin.
Austin's my brother.
You've done that before.
I know, for real. But, for real. You are really the for real.
I'm gonna put it on you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is epically failing.
Like your face.
Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up. Okay,
You shut up.
so this is what Faith did. She wore a little nurse hat. I like that smart on your ass. Don't do that.
Sexy nurse.
Yeah. Oh, shit. I didn't say anything. Okay, so... Do you want to get ice now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go get ice.
We're going to get ice now.
Ice, ice.
Oh my god, don't you try over my stuff. Okay, it's Judy. Where's the...
You got a headache, bud?
Oh, I'm good, thank you.
Oh, you good?
I'm good. Let's go get ice, Faith. What? Oh.
You're back.
Hold on. Still there.
Get on it, Kevin. You're super Hollister product.
My backpack's not from Hollister, okay? Stand for it. Well. You were like Jack. I was just like one of those moments, like on the train at Halloween. You kind of like stuck for a minute, and then you have to get out.
Let's go in and get some ice, baby, ice. Hey, don't leave me. I'm not talking to you.
I'm not talking to you.
Baby, ice. Why does she want ice?
I don't know. Why doesn't she want ice?
They had a chair in their room. I want a chair.
Well, your room is a handicap room. You can't have a chair. Because you already have a chair. Ice. Is this it? Ice, baby. You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Right, I put our donuts in here so they won't get that big old box.
Oh crap. Little bag fell in there.
Let's go. Let's get some dirty hoes. Get out of my way, you filthy talking girl. Let me fix your hair, girl.
That was only, what I caught on camera was just a little bit. In fact, some of that you can't hardly see. Whenever I'm filming it, and it's a little dark out there, wherever I am, you can still see it, like in the little thing here, which you really can't see, but it's like the little screen, and you can see the person, and they look just fine. But when you play it back on the computer, you can't see anything, and it's like, so, it's about Guthrie, people. You just don't, like, you don't understand people. This is about Guthrie. You just don't know. So, I hope you all enjoyed that, because I know I do. So, yeah, I had an awesome time at State. It was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with my friends. That didn't sound right when it came out the first time. And, of course, Faith won, and Faith had an awesome time. Faith, you know what I'm talking about? You know that awesome time we had? Like, seriously, you should know what I'm talking about. One thing you will never forget that I did. And don't worry, people, it's not nasty. Just clearing that up so I don't get any weird comments below. What are you talking about? Yeah. So, that's all. Oh, one thing, nothing related to Trump Hour, but guess who's on the cover of Entertainment Weekly this past week? Excuse me. Yes.